Hey guys, what's up? Good morning and good evening. Today, guys, I am here in Salalah, so I'm going to do driving route with the narrow road. How we can drive how we can drive a narrow road with the mountain slope. Okay. It's too dangerous. Should not overtake until you make sure. Until I give. Sometimes if the car behind you, you want to overtake. So I will be the next eyes to that person behind me. So I will give him signal. It's okay. It's safe to overtake or no. Otherwise, I can give him signal also. Is not allowed to take overtake. Anyway, this line is not allowed to take overtake. So in this mountain we are driving now, it's beautiful mountains, right? With the nice weather. Okay, you should holding your steering 9 to 3. When the line is going to the left, you have to go to the left with a little bit turning. Not much. Okay, when the road is already straight, but it's still not straight, it's still turning, so you keep your steering like that, less quarter, you know. Then when the road is straight, you turn steering straight also, you will be driving like that. It's all this road is slow because mountain, you know, so you can drive maximum 60. It's okay. Sometimes Kharif is not clear, but right now there's no Kharif. Kharif is over there next to the mountain. So on the road, it's going to the right also, you turn to the right. Not much like this, no. Turn little bit quarter. Okay? Keep going. There's no need to, move your body with the steering. No need. Just your hands are only moving it. Relax your hand. Hard turning to the left, not much hard turning, but it's okay. Turn to the left like that. Where's your eyes? Straight to the line from left and right. You do drive like this. Okay. It's not only you keep your eyes looking to the line or the corner of the line, the shoulder of the line. No, you need to see all this view in front of you. Should be visible. Okay. Sometimes the road is not hard turning, so no need to turn less like more than quarter or just little bit. Because when you're moving more, of course you're going other road. No, it's no need to do like that. Just relax with your hand, smooth hand drive. You can understand more about the narrow road, How is the view? You like it, guys? So beautiful, right? The green mountains. I like to drive. I hope we have mountains like this in Qatar. Now the road is straight, so why I have to turn to? Some people you saw them. If the road is straight, they will without feeling their hand going like this. No, keep your hand. Even your steering is. If you take off your hand from the steering and the road is straight, the car not going. But we should keep here. Relax. Okay. When you see already the narrow road from the front of you of 100 meters, 150 something, you have to be ready. Relax. It's not, to keep yourself like, I have to be ready. There's narrow road in front of me. I have to keep my. No, it's not like that. It's relax. Okay, and control your speed. Most important, steering and controlling the speed. with automatic car or with the manual car is they are same. Okay, the road is still straight, so I have to keep my hand only on the steering and my eyes were in front of my car. It is easy. When you see hard turning to the down slope, you will keep your feet from the skater to the brake, but don't press the hard brake. You know, it's because if you are pressing the hard brake, that means you're going to stop. No, that is can use for the emergency only, but for reduce speed just by touch. By touch you can touch the brake. Okay, while you are going down. If you see, you can also look to the kilometer. If your speed limit is going over what you want, like 60 is over 70, 80, no, you have to reduce speed because you know already the road is 60 or 40 or whatever. Okay, so you have to know the speed limit. You have to know the speed limit. You can control your brake, your skater. Easy. Okay, example from a case, if you want to turn to the right or left, what you should do if you are going to turn, you decide to go right. Example, I have to turn to the right. I will do signal first, reduce my speed and the brake. Okay, when I are already near to the corner of the turning, I reduce my speed to 20 and I turn half steering like that. Okay, when I want to go back, U-turn. Example, okay, I miss the road, I come the wrong road or something. I need to do. I want to do a U-turn. I will do signal to the left and fully left, and I will have check if there is car or no. Okay, if example not enough space, example there is no enough space to go, I have to stop and I change my gear to R and fix my steering to the right, double signal. Okay, full right, then I keep go back reverse. Okay, check also there is no car when the view is available to me straight. Okay, I will fix my steering, then I will change my gear, then I keep going. Here I need to stop if I go to the right or left. Okay, I off my signal, double signal, then I will do signal right. I won't go to the right, check from left, no one, and I have to move with half turn. Okay, because near road, you know, and I will move. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn to the left. I see already left turning from far away, and I make decision I'm going to turn left or right. This time I'm going to turn left, so I have to reduce speed first. Okay, signal, reduce speed to 20. You can see the signboard, so I have to stop. If I go left, right, so I check left and right. There's a car or no. Okay, I have to check left and right. There's a car or no. It's clear, the road is clear. I have to wait if there is a car from left or right. No rush. Then I will move one turn, a quarter, and again fix my steering to straight. Keep going. Most important when you are crossing road, don't be rush. Wait, check the road, left, right. If you are going to the left, okay, make sure there is no car. Then you have to move, especially in the road test. Don't be rush. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video. Hope everyone is okay.